Being outdoors was a big part of my life. My dad grew up near the Oregon coast, so I started boating and fishing at a pretty young age. This got me into cross country in high school. I loved just being able to get on the open road and run away from all the cars and city down the foothill trails. Now I live with my husband near the Boise foothills and Greenbelt, and we love hiking with our dog whenever we get the chance. One of the things that I love most about Boise is the 4 seasons. In the winter, I look forward to being able to take off my hiking shoes and go cross-country skiing. My parents have always been a very big part of my life. They've supported me in everything I've done and taught me the value of working hard for something that I want. This is probably why I've always been so determined to do my best and very eager to take on new challenges, especially in school or work. I'm always studying very high standards for myself and never satisfied when I'm giving less than 100%. I actually wanted to be a PE teacher in elementary school because I got to wear sweats every day. I thought that was pretty cool. But in all seriousness, I've enjoyed school as long as I can remember, and I still enjoy learning to this day. I actually became an engineer because of my love for math, which started in the 4th grade. My teacher actually made our math tests into competitions, so I would go home every night and study just so I could become the best in the class. I think when you enjoy something at a young age, it piques your interest and it makes you want to learn more. So that's what really got me involved in math. I didn't learn about industrial engineering actually until I was in college, but when I did, I knew it was the perfect fit for me. I love making things efficient, challenges, and in organizing anything I can get my hands on, basically. In cross country, I was always looking for that optimal route to get around the corner just a little bit faster and make my time a little bit faster. But today I'm an industrial engineer at a worldwide company, and I look forward to optimizing and making throughput improvements every single day. I'm Stephanie, and I'm an industrial engineer at Micron Technology.